Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubah kami ikatanat kampok ying bat District Council Affairs ubah Prestone Tensong haka kerui terik leber ula kentok ba omday ban pyniasoh ya kejing dawa inner line permit ILP bat jingiakynad kabami halor jingiakynad benta jongki bomday riulum haka election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Habakren syakilat patai kubor hadin ke jingalang ubak Prestone ulaong baki seng bhalang ki persya ya ke jing tap kerteng jong ki bomday riulum kum ki kertong bat pensngau ya ki sur ki bayadai bat ke jing angnut jong ki pajba Henry ya ke ni kasur omla satya ban pyniasoh bat ke ILP namar kini ki briuru ki dei ki nongshong shnong badai hok jong ke Meghalaya bat ke India. Ubak Prestone ulau kerpat ya ki pajba bakin pyniasoh ya kene ke jingiakynad ha ki jaka them plain belt jong ke rilum Garo kabala ja nadu kini ki khendiat sengi bala dep bat ke ILP namar kene ke jingiakhi kamdei halor ke ILP Henry halor ke election sya ke GHADC kene ke dei halor ke election jong ke GHADC ki seng bhalang ki lak ban ong Henry ai bangaru ngan ong ba pihap ban sngotu ya kene ke wei wat penia khle ya kene ke mat bat ke ILP ki seng bhalang ki laong ba omsha ya ki bomday riulum ban yashim benta ha ke election kimla ban thep kerteng kertong nga tharai ba kene ke dei ke jing angnut jong kine ki briu kumta kumno ki pyniasoh ya kene bat ke ILP ulaong.
This subject is totally different. You can't link it to ILP because this one is not about the ILP. This is about the election to the Garo Hills District Council.
But the NGO says that.
Well, the NGOs can't say it. But let me also say, you need to understand one thing. That's what I'm telling, don't mix up with ILP. Because this one is what? The NGO says no non-tribal be allowed to participate in the election. They cannot file they cannot file a nomination. I think that is the aspiration of these people. So why should you link it with the ILP? And these people also, they are genuine citizens of Meghalaya, of India. So therefore, don't link it. Please delink it completely with this incident that has happened in Garo Hills. Of friends non-tribal to file nomination. I think that is the agenda. Not that they don't want NPP or not that they don't want Congress or they don't want other political parties. But now the issue is what they said from all the NGOs. They said non-tribal should not participate in the election process as candidate.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ula kerensyai halor ki board rekam hapedengka sorkar jela bat kilai teli ki Autonomous District Council ADC. Ngimdon hangne ban penya ya ki ADC, ngidon lai teli ki ADC bat kumbang ong kidon la ka jong ka board ban tauan. Kidon la ka jong ka board bishar bat pentrikam judicial bat executive, namar kidon ya kata ka board balingin tuklar na kaliang ka sorkar jela. Kumta ay baki dukhat jong ki District Council kin shimhi ya karai halaki jong ki put ki sam ula benram. Kani kejing penkesan kalawan long hadian kato kat ni kenta ba ka ying ka syari High Court kalarai ban pendu ya ka jing penbena jong ka GHADC halor ka sernot schedule tribe namar ka jing bomyat kat kum ki kendon trekam. Ka hukum ya ka ba uba Prestone ulaong ba kala peni ya ka jing long balai lut jong ka council. Uba Prestone ula badru ya ka tenat kampo ying ula pentip ba ka jing long jingman kala kham jai jai ha ka te ka than ka badan hapdeng ka jingiakynad. Ki briu ki balawan na keleng karilum Garo kila sedang bania perabat lejpai syalaki jong ki jaka ulaong haba benram ha ka bakhaddu hi ngalati kena balik se nadu menta syakmat ka jinglong bajai-jai kan sawan pai biang.
The AD rules applies only to the respective district council. Khasi Hills, Jandi Hills, yes we have AD rules including Garo Hills, but at this juncture, what happened was, in Garo Hills District Council, seems the aspiration of the public is to amend the rules, of the ADC, which is being followed all these years by the people of the Garo Hills sector. See, you can't blame the government because this is fully the authority of the District Council. As I said to you, this council also they have got the legislative power. They have got judicial power. And also they do have the executive power, more or less like state government, more or less like the central government. So you can't say that the government's failure is there. That's why the law and order drop off. It is not like that. In fact, the district council themselves, if they realize that, they should have had a special session discuss about this issue. Since they already knew it, why not they discuss this issue? Bring it to the district council session and then pass it. Then the next course of action will happen. So therefore, even from the government side, we have no role to play. It is not the duty of the government to say that, hey, you have to pass or you have to do the amendment of this. It is not possible. In fact, they are the leaders. They are the one who has to understand to where to amend or where to again incorporate all those existing regulations, laws, rules, and whatever they are. As of today, is to make sure that the situation is subsided completely. And yes, I think a minutes back, I received the information that of course now public started to disperse to their respective places. But yeah, relating to this nitty-gritty of this issue, I will not be able to tell you right now. Let the cabinet decide tomorrow, because we are sitting by 5 o'clock in the evening, and then we will again come back to you once the decision is taken by the cabinet.